when you reach the threshold of withdrawal method, so here are the requirements. So if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw through Amazon gift card, which is 10,000 points for £7.4. So and this is 20,000 points for 14.8 JPP pounds. So here are the requirements. So whenever you reach threshold of this, so you can withdraw through Amazon card. So also with PayPal, you can withdraw through PayPal. They also have different card right here, so which you can withdraw through different gift card. So that is it. That is their withdrawal requirement and about the withdrawal. So if you want to accept the withdrawal, you can click on this part where you say reward. You click on reward, and it will take you to the withdrawal links, the withdrawal features right here. So guys, this is how to withdraw from Mr. Surveys. So make sure whenever you reach the threshold, you can just click on it. If you want to use card, you can click on it. This £7. Whenever you reach the threshold of 1,000 points, it will pop up. The character will be bold right here. So you just click on it and it will drop through that point. So it's because it's a new account, that's why it's not showing. It's just showing blank board in one time. So whenever I read the threshold, it will show bold for me to withdraw. So that is how to withdraw from Mr. Survey.